Good morning, student. All of you are welcome in the BSc first year class. I am Davkar, professor in mathematics. Now, today we shall see the syllabus of mathematics. There are two papers for first semester. First paper is MAT 101 differential calculus, and second paper is MAT 102 differential equation. Now, out of these two papers, I am going to teach the second paper, that is MAT 102 differential equations. Now, in this paper, we have to study about the differential equation. Now, first topic is prerequisites, is already which you have studied in 12th standard, basic concept about the differential equation. Second chapter is equations of the first order and of the first degree. In this chapter, we shall study about the differential equation having order 1 and degree 1. In 12th standard, actually already you have studied the differential equation, how to solve the differential equation, how to form the differential equation, that means formation of the differential equation, then the solution of differential equation. The first method or best method to solve the differential equation is variable separable form, already you have studied. Then homogeneous equation, non-homogeneous equation, exact differential equation, linear differential equation, equation reducible to the linear form. The variable separable form, homogeneous equation and non-homogeneous equation, these are not included in your syllabus. Only we have to study exact differential equation, linear equation and equations reducible to the linear form in this chapter. Now next chapter is linear equation with constant coefficient. Now this chapter is new for you and it is the biggest chapter all of us we have studied in this paper. In this chapter, we have to study nth order linear differential equation having constant coefficients, how to find the complementary function, how to find the particular methods. There are general methods to find the particular integral. There are also some short methods to find the particular integral. The next chapter is linear equation with variable coefficients. Means coefficients of the equation are variables, not constant. In previous chapter, these are the constants. Now, in the chapter, only we have to study the homogeneous linear equations, general method and method to find the complementary function and particular integral again. In next chapter, we have to study exact differential equation. In first chapter also, we have to study exact differential equation, but this is about the first order exact differential equation. In chapter 5, we have to study the exact differential equation having order more than one, second order, third order, like that. Sixth chapter is ordinary differential equation with more than one variables. In this chapter, we have to study simultaneous differential equations and simultaneous differential equations which are linear. And last chapter, which is an introductory chapter about the partial differential equation. In this chapter, we shall study the partial differential equation, only formation of partial differential equation. First is by eliminating arbitrary constant, and second eliminating arbitrary function. These are the 7 chapters which we have studied for the differential equation. Now you have to use the textbook as Introductory Course in Differential Equations, Kolsa Publishing House, New Delhi. Name of author is D.A. Murray. Then this complete book is not for your syllabus. Some scope is given here. Chapter 1st, article 1 to 4, 1, 2 and 4, third is not included in your syllabus, and same is for remaining chapter. Particular articles are mentioned which are included in your syllabus. Okay. Now our first chapter is prerequisite. Already we have studied this in 12th standard. What is a differential equation? Just like equation, it is also differential equation. Means a equation involving the derivatives or differential coefficients is called as a differential equation. That means the equation in which there are the derivatives like dy by dx, d2y by dx square and so on. Such equations are called as a differential equations. Now, if we consider the function y is equals to f of x, means here y is a function of single variable x. The x is called as an independent variable and y is called as a dependent variable, because values of y are depend upon values of x. Suppose y is equals to x square, means x belongs to n, means x is given as a natural number. There are infinite number of natural number. We can put infinite number of values of x as a y is equals to x square. If we put x is equal to 1, you will get y is equals to 1. If we put x is equal to 2, we get y is equals to 4 and so on. Means value of y are depend upon value of x. Therefore, y is called as a dependent variable, x is a independent variable. We shall always take the derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, just like dy by dx. But if function is of one variable, the derivatives are called as ordinary derivatives. In case function is more than one variable, for example, suppose z is equals to f of x and y. Particular case, z is equals to x square plus y square. Now, how z will be differentiated in this case? Derivative of z is taken with respect to x, also derivative of z taken with respect to y, because z is a function of x and y. That means in this case there are two derivatives and these are written as dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Such derivatives are called as a partial derivatives. Means other type of equation, differential equation is a partial differential equation. Means a differential equation which involves partial derivatives concerned with more than one independent variable is called as a partial differential equation. Now, in 12th standard, you have also studied degree and order of differential equation. Order of differential equation means the order of differential equation is the order of the highest derivative appearing in it. For example, y is equals to dy by dx is equals to cos x, dy by dx is equals to cos x. In this equation, derivative is dy by dx, and it is a first order derivative. Therefore, this is a first order differential equation. If you have an equation d2y by dx square is equals to 0. Now, in this case, the derivative is a second order derivative, and therefore this is a second order differential equation. Okay. Then degree. Degree is the highest power of highest order derivative. Listen again. Degree of an equation is the degree of that highest derivative when the differential equation are free from radicals and fractions. Already we have seen the differential equation dy by dx is equal to cos x. Here dy by dx is the first order derivative. Its highest power is 1. Therefore dy by dx is equal to cos x is the first order differential equation, and degree is also 1. d2 y by dx square is equal to 0. It is a second order differential equation and degree is 1. But if we have dy by dx whole square is equals to cos x, then it is a first order and second degree differential equation. Now in lecture we shall see all these details, taking examples. Today is just introductory lecture. Then solution. What is the solution of differential equation? The solution is a relation between variables and derivatives obtained from them which satisfy the given differential equation is called as a solution of the differential equation. Listen again. A solution of a differential equation is a relation between the variables by means of which and the derivatives obtained from there the given equation is satisfied. Okay. Now, there are two types of solution. A general solution. A general solution is a solution involving arbitrary constant which is equal to order of the differential equation. Such solution is called as a general solution or complete integral. And second is putting or giving particular values to the arbitrary constants present in the general solution. Such solution is called as a particular solution. Okay. Now, today is only the introductory lecture. In this lecture, today we have seen the which paper I have to taught. That remember the paper is MAT 102. That is first semester second paper of mathematics. Name of paper is differential equation. This paper, complete paper is for 50 marks. We have to study 7 chapters. First chapter, that is a prerequisite, is a smaller chapters only, introduction, and last 2 chapter also small chapters, which we can complete in 2 or 3 lectures. But linear equation concept coefficient is biggest chapter. Then linear equation variable coefficient is also, it is not more biggest but smaller than that. Then the remaining chapters are very small. Means actually, though we have seen there are 7 chapters, but not 7, only 3 chapters are time taking chapters, remaining are very small. Now We have today only introduction about the syllabus. In next lecture, with examples, we shall see on board the differential equation, their orders and a degree and solution. And then first article is exact differential equation. Today we stop with this introduction about the syllabus. Thank you.